We catch that boy, then we gon' get it poppin'. Oh, you thought we was stopping?
What's up, guys? I hope you guys are doing good. Today I'll be doing a video on like how the exhaust sounds on the highway, like the drone and stuff. Like, people say that it's like really crazy, but it's really not. If you can just like turn up your radio and stuff, it's nothing serious. Or you have your windows up. I mean, I've driven like loud cars. My first car was a 2013 Mustang V6. No cats, off-road H-pipe. And I had some Roush axle backs, and it was really loud. The drone, yes, this drone. If you have a straight pipe Mustang, this is gonna be drone, but it's nothing crazy. I mean, if you don't mind loud cars, some people get in this loud car, like my Mustang, and they're like, "Oh my God, it's so loud!" Like, come on, it's not that loud, and I don't care. If anything, you can just turn the radio on, and you'll be fine. So I'll try to go on the highway, and I'll try to like see if I can find the RPMs where the drone is like the most like noticeable, and then other than that, it's nothing crazy. So let's go ahead and do that. So I haven't started this car in maybe like 2 days. So this is what it sounds like from the inside. As you can see, I have my windows up. So yeah. It's loud from the outside, but from the inside it's not that loud. I'm now heading to the highway. I'm almost there. I do apologize if the video is not like the best, because I'm recording and shifting at the same time. Alright, I'm on the highway at like 3,000 RPMs in 4th gear, and I have my foot on the gas, and as you can hear, there's really like, there's no drone. So I'm gonna shift to 5th gear. I'm in 5th gear, and as you can see, I'm around like 23,000 RPMs, and there is like no drone. Like, there's like little to no drone, and I'm going 60 miles per hour. Okay, I don't know if you guys can hear that, but there's like a lot of drone around 2,000 RPMs, and I do have my foot on the gas. So it looks like the drone is present around 2,000 RPMs, like going maybe 65, 60. This whole time I'm in 5th gear. Let me try to go a little bit faster. Alright, I'm going like 70, 75, 2,500 RPMs, and this drone, I don't know if you guys can hear it. I hope you guys can hear it. Right there. 2,500 RPMs, going maybe 70, 75. I hope you guys can hear that. It's nothing crazy though. Like, I don't mind that sound. Right there, okay. I hope you guys can hear that. Alright, right now I'm going 80. 2,500 RPMs. The drone is not that crazy. It's not. So this drone, when I do let off the gas, but if you keep your foot on like the gas, this is like there's like little to no drone. Alright, right now going about 70 miles per hour. And then when I let off the gas, I think you might be able to hear the drone right there. Foot on the gas, later to no drone. So yeah, it's nothing crazy. Alright, going above 55, maybe 1,500 RPMs. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Okay. But if you're worried about drone, I say don't straight pipe your Mustang. I don't care for drone. You can always like play music or something. I couldn't play music in this video because I don't want to get copyrighted. But yeah, people say it's crazy, but it's nothing crazy.